Guys, look at what I was saying just now. Look at it. This is the last batch now. Just go ahead to use my hand to spread it out. Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I use my oven to grill this garri. With no further ado, let's jump right to the video. This garri was brought to me from Nigeria, from Africa. What I'll just do right now is to take some and add it into my tray and then use my hand to spread it out, and thereafter I will take it straight to the oven and I will show you the rest of the video. Please keep watching. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Here I'm just trying to show you guys how wet, a little bit wet or moist the garri is. Look at it. Look at it. It's not dry. See? So because it's not dry and it's moist, it has started getting bad. Some parts even went black. So I have to re-dry it again with my oven. I'm almost through. See guys, look at it. This is the last batch now. Just go ahead to use my hand to spread it out and then I'll take it to the oven. Look at it. It's not dry. You can see it that it's not really dry. I was using my oven to grill this up so that the garri can come back to life again. 180 degrees, that's why it went on. I put it in 15 minutes. So it was too high. I have reduced the time and the degree. So the one on the oven right now is 160 degrees for 10 minutes, which I'm going to show you right away. So as I was saying, this is it. I'm using my oven to re-dry my garri, because the reason why I'm doing this is the one they bought for me from Nigeria, the quantity is much. So as I store it is inside my container, which I showed you just now, it has started bringing out some odor and some funny what's it called now, yeah, some odor and funny things that I don't understand. The color, the color has changed. So what just came to my mind was, why don't you try and use your oven to dry it, to re-dry it. I guess it was not properly dry, and also they have put it in a bag for a very long time before it arrived at my destination. So that was why. So when it finally came to my destination, instead of me to re-dry it again, what I did was to just put it in my container and I store it just like that. Already it was moist, slightly wet, so I could have re-dry it again with my oven, just like the way I'm doing right now. So I think this is how you can re-dry your garri, if probably you have any one that they brought to you. Don't throw away your garri, please, because garri right now is very expensive. When doing this, you have to be patient. This is the third batch I'm doing right now, because I showed you the first batch before, which got burnt because I didn't reduce the time and the degree of that first one. So You just come to your oven time to time to turn it like this, and then you push it back to 160. Then you close it back. Yes, I just brought this one from the oven right now. So dry, so dry. So this was the first one I did, which got burnt a little, as you can see, got burnt. This is the one in the container, and I'm still going to dry again. The garri was so much, so I wouldn't want the garri to get spoiled. I can't throw away garri because the price of garri right now in Nigeria is so exorbitant, expensive, so I have to re-dry it again. After I dried this for few minutes, I went ahead to take this off the oven and then add it into the one I've re-dried already. So dry right now. I just pour the other one from the oven to this one and put everything together. After I frying everything, this is what we have. You can also use your fry pan to fry this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.